Greetings from St. Croix of the U.S. Virgin Islands. Hello, I'm Robin Bass of Premier Properties USVI. I am looking forward to meeting all of you at VRMA Foundation. I'm excited to and honored, quite honestly, to be teaching a workshop in preparing everyone for success. This industry is very exciting, having increased immensely in the last 10 to 15 years globally. And it's just wonderful opportunity to network at these conferences, at these workshops. I'm all about being a sponge and soaking up as much knowledge as I can. And the great thing about this industry, as long as you're curious and kind, you can go far. So I look forward to being curious and kind and networking with all of you and soaking up all this knowledge we're about to partake on like a sponge. Well, look forward to seeing you. And I also wanted to take this video to show you the gorgeous flamboyant flowers we have in St. Croix and planting the seed perhaps of scheduling a visit to St. Croix of the U.S. Virgin Islands. I look forward to meeting all of you and to network and to learn and be curious. Have a great day, everyone. See you soon.